Hey guys, welcome to another day at home with Lena. We are going to give my husband a little mini office makeover as well as a quiet luxury haul. But wait, did I get scammed? You tell me. Exciting part of the day. Not only am I going to show you my husband's little mini office makeover that I did for him, but anyways, we're about to go get a restoration hardware dupe from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I got scammed. Okay, so you know what's funny? So I have 8 kids. You guys already know that, right? And my last one, I would say he's a little bit spoiled. I baby him a little bit. And so like bath time, he's always so bored, right? And I love my bathrooms. Like I spend a lot of money getting like choice curated decor. But anyhow, I get him something and I've like, this is my second time purchasing. And so these are like little bath foams, fluffy foams. It's kind of like shaving cream for the bath, and there's like all these different colors all over your face, all over your body, all over the bathtub. You can write words with it. So I got him that, and also got him one more thing, which is these bath bomb potions. Look how cute this is. Like you make a potion, fizzes, foams, and bubbles. Let me show you what I picked up from Love a Crew. Like look how cute this is. It's basically like espresso moment, tea moment, chai moment, and then you have a little place to hold a spoon. I thought it was like super cute, so I got that. It was actually a set of 2. This will be like espresso for 2. I think that's like super cute. So I got that. Then from Walmart. Okay, Walmart has a lot of cute garden wear. So like I hate to like really do deep dives into trends, but if you want to go for something trendy or avant-garde, try to go for like an accessory like a vase. Don't do like an expensive rug or something, because then you're just gonna be sick of it, you know. Like this is super cute. Might lean into that. I like this. I'm trying to stay away from like the earthy textures because I have a lot. Like I have so many items with this finish that, I mean, it would look really cute, but I already have a bunch of stuff. So I think I'm gonna go for the glossy. So Walmart is like, they have a bunch of cute like garden decor. I got something for the backyard and I really don't need anything, but I thought this was cute because not everything can be modern, organic, and matte. You need some items that have a bit of shine, lacquer, light reflection. You need to switch it up, otherwise it just looks like contrived or too predictable. So anyhow, I got this. I thought this is like a cool ashy gray color. Pop a plant. So since we're talking about bathroom, I want things to be like aesthetic. And I don't know, this looks kind of cheesy. I already don't like the color of this. So I got like these bottles so that I can put like my low shampoo and conditioner, but this looks kind of cheap. It says shampoo. I like the label. I just don't like the color of this gold. So then I just bought from Amazon California Naturals. So I figured we can like put this in there. Classic clean shampoo, because I have really thin hair. Like this is a wig. This is a really good wig. Wigs have come a long way. Like watch. See, like it looks so natural, right? Anyhow, so I got shampoo and conditioner, so we'll swap those out. And then since I'm a bath girl, like I spent a lot of money on my jacuzzi bath. That's like the one splurge I spent on the bathroom, was getting a bathtub that creates bubbles and all that. So I got tea spa bath salts and yeah, 2 different types. Do you guys want to see how I got scammed? Okay, I'm here for my Facebook Marketplace dupe. This is it, look. There it is. You guys, oh my God. So I messaged him in Spanish. I was like, es mármol es real. It's the marble real. He's like, yeah, I get there, it looks real. He puts it in a box, he puts it in my car. Then as I'm driving, I lean back and I tap on it like this, and it's not real. He said I can bring it back and swap it out for anything else I like, but I really don't like anything else. So let's go arrange it in the bathroom and see if we like it. I think it looks really cute, guys. I mean, yeah, it's not stone. I may have overpaid for it, but I mean, I think it's cute. I think it's super cute. The fact that it's green It's like a pop of color. It matches with this. I mean, everything can't be neutral, right? So I think I'm just gonna keep it. And then I did add these two, shampoo and conditioner, just for like a little elevated look. That gold kind of coordinates with the gold over here. I do have a bunch of silver, but yeah, I feel like this is an elevated bathroom. Okay guys, we're gonna do a makeover. I was gifted a desk. I made this frame right here. We're gonna hang it up over here and we are gonna get ready. Let me get all the supplies and then put the desk together. So the desk, it was amazingly easy to put together. I kid you not, it came in 3 pieces. So you have the 2 legs, which feature a nice little curve, and then you have the base. And the base has 3 drawers. So when I read the instructions, I was like, okay, I could do this. But then the whole family decided they wanted to help out. So as you can see, it took us about 15 minutes to put it together. It's solid wood and this black finish. I think my husband's really gonna enjoy working in this little space. So here are the items, and I say we start with the art. I usually do the art last, but I'm so particular about art, and I'm very, very, very picky, guys. Most of my art I create myself, and I get sick of it really easily. So this is a big move, but I think we're gonna use this little corner because I feel like this big wall will be better suited for like a big, large piece of art. So we're gonna stack the tiny pieces over there vertically. Get some fresh air. If you guys are interested in this desk, it also comes in 3 other finishes. I'm gonna link it in the description box so you can check out their website. They have a ton of furniture. Cute furniture, guys.